Hey guys, what's good? What's poppin'? Okay, it's your girl Caroline. How are you guys doing? Me, I'm okay. I'm kind of my voice. I have like tonsillitis. I didn't get my tonsils removed, but that's a different story. So my voice is a little raspy. I've been kind of just blah these weeks. Today is Wednesday and it's like 2 a.m. in the morning. I've been like just super blah and just not like productive. But today, well, I guess yesterday I was productive, and now I'm just gonna install this wig because I should have installed it literally like 2 days ago. But in the mood of being productive, I was like, you know what, Caroline? By force, by fire, you're gonna install this wig. So we're just gonna do like a 2 a.m. vlog style, kind of late night. I think what I wanna do is like play music, possibly. I don't know, but we're gonna do like a vlog style, just vibe with me at night, 2 a.m. and install this wig. It's from BeautyForever. This is a 22 inches water wave, 180, might be 150% density. I'm sorry, y'all gotta forgive me. It's like a late night, as you know, so my brain's a little fuzzy. But this is what the knots are looking like. I did like bleach the knots already. I'm just gonna pluck the wig real quick, and yeah. All right, so I got the wig all up on my canvas head, and I also have this little white napkin under it because you see my latest plucking tutorial video. I say that it's best to pluck under like something white because this helps you, see the knots, which is really helpful, especially since my canvas head is like a tan color. So I'm not gonna give y'all like a tutorial or anything. I'm just gonna quickly pluck this wig, but I do got a detailed tutorial if you're interested. But I'm gonna quickly pluck this wig because I need a snack break. I have a major headache right now. So Lord, I just be eating a little taco and I feel like I'll feel much better. So I'm just gonna do this quick so I can eat my taco. I feel like I hope I plucked enough. I was really just being lazy and plucking really fast because
slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. This is a miracle. Don't catch you slipping now. Don't catch you slipping now. Look what I'm whipping now. slipping on. Look how I'm living on. Police be tripping on. Yeah, this is America. One's in my area. I got the strap. I gotta carry 'em.
I love you.
This is America. Don't catch you slipping on. Don't catch you slipping on. Look what I'm whipping on. This is America. Don't catch you slipping on. Don't catch you slipping on. Look what I'm whipping on. This is America. Don't catch you slipping on. Look how I'm living on. Police be tripping on. Yeah, this is America. One's in my area. I got the strap. I gotta carry 'em.